Want to personalize your Ubisoft Connect account? Here's how to change your profile picture in just a few clicks. The first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Ubisoft, just click on the Create Account option, and from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, changing your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect can be a good idea for allowing you to personalize your account. You can choose an image that represents your personality, interests, or favorite games. Now, there are two ways for you to change your profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. You can go to their official website and you need to hover to the upper right corner where it says View More and then hover to Account Management. Okay, now from here, I need you to click on the account information because you can edit public and private information from this option. Now, when you hover your mouse to the profile picture, as you can see, there's going to be a pencil icon. All right, when you click on it, you would be given an option to change your avatar. All right, from Far Cry to Growtopia, there's a lot of options that you can choose. But the thing is, please be mindful that you cannot upload a customized picture for your profile. All right, before they had that option wherein you could edit your avatar and upload your personal picture, but now they don't have that option. So all you have to do is just select from these options. But it's okay though. So for example, I'm going to go to this one right here and click on Choose. Just wait for a little bit and there you go. You changed your profile picture from the other character earlier to the car. Now, the next method that you can use is you need to go to the Ubisoft Connect application for Windows, right? It's almost the same process because all you have to do is click on your profile icon and click on Profile or even Account Management, but I need you to click on the Profile. Now, as you can see, when we click on Edit Avatar, remember we changed the picture from earlier, right? So it's already reflected in the Ubisoft Connect Windows app. Now, when you click on that, we can of course click that again to choose from another options that is available down here below. All right, and from here, all I have to do is click on Save Changes. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.